get started in making our cream cheese tarts. Now the first thing that I have in my mixing bowl is 2 packages, that is 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. To that you want to add in 2 cups of sugar. That's 1, 2. You want to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. As well as 2 eggs. Now I'm going to let this beat on low speed until it is well combined. Okay, now that my mixture is good and combined, I have my cupcake pan here, and all I have done is lined it with some cupcake papers and placed a vanilla wafer in the bottom of each cupcake paper. Now you want to make sure that you place the flat side of the vanilla wafer downward, and that is going to be our crust for our tarts. Now I have a ice cream scoop, and I'm going to fill each one of these with a scoop of cream cheese mixture. And I like using a scoop because it makes sure that all of my tarts are the same size, so that when you serve them, your presentation is really pretty. Now, whenever we bake this, it's going to be in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Each one of these is going to raise slightly, but once you take them out of the oven and you place them out to cool, they are actually going to fall inward, so don't freak out. It's completely normal. You are going to top these with some fruit topping of your choice, and they are going to be ready to serve. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what these look like right away because I was rushing trying to get them over here. The pan is hot. I want to show you guys, they have already started falling, but they are great big and puffed up like a cupcake, but they're not a cupcake. They're made with cream cheese, so as they cool, they're gonna fall. And so I'm telling you this because the first time I made them, I'm like, I did something wrong. They were all raised up and now they're not. But I promise you, this is the way they're supposed to be. You wanna let these sit. You wanna let these cool completely. Once they are cooled, we're going to top these, and they are going to be so pretty to serve anybody, your company, your family, or yourself. But I wanted to share this recipe with you all because I know that spring is coming. There's going to be a lot of family gatherings, family reunions, all kinds of things going on. Easter is coming, and I make these often. And in fact, I have people request me make these, and these are delicious. So as soon as these cool, I will show you what is next. So I cannot wait to have one of these. Hold on. Hey, my tarts have cooled, and as you can tell, they have shrunk down, and that is what they're supposed to look like. And now it is totally up to you on how you want to top these. Now you can top these with pie filling. You could put fresh fruit on the top of these if you like, but I typically just use a cherry pie filling or a strawberry pie filling. I find that those two options are the best in my opinion, but you can use blueberry, blackberry, anything that you would like. So now I've got my pie filling, and I'm going to get my cherries out here, and I'm just going to start putting these right on the top. there they are. And now I'm just going to store these in my refrigerator till I'm ready to serve them, which will be tomorrow because my entire family will be together for Palm Sunday. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe. And I hope you all have a great day or night whenever you're watching this. And thanks so much for watching.